Hello friends, I'm having in this tab of this terminal emulator an SSH connection to my Alpine Linux. It's a permanent installation but on a USB flash drive. It's connected to the Wi-Fi using a piece of software called IWD. I wanted to share with you how to do it. If we want to ping a specific website, like for example google.com, it pings and it's connected to the internet. First of all, you need to connect your Alpine system to the internet somehow, either by an Ethernet cable or by using the extended live media and WPA supplicant by following the steps in a video that I made that I'm gonna put in the description or in the cards. After you connect to the internet, the only command that you need to run to install this piece of software online, the only command that you need to run online is do as apk add IWD. The password here, you run this command as root. Do as is the default sudo equivalent package for Alpine. Let me clear out the screen now. Make sure that you are connected to the internet when you want to install IWD. I'm not sure if IWD is compatible with all the Wi-Fi adapters or only with Intel's. In case it's not compatible with the other adapters, I'm sorry for that. The next command should be do as rc service IWD start. It has already been started for me, otherwise for you it will start it. You can check if it is started by running rc status. It will give you all the started daemons and services, and you can see here that IWD is started. There are two ways to run the commands on IWD. The first one is to go to IWCTL, which is going to give you a dedicated shell for IWD. From there you run all the commands, or you run the same commands but with IWCTL in front of each command. Instead of going to IWCTL and you type the commands without IWCTL, you can from the normal shell type IWCTL and your commands. You need to know what is your wireless interface. Such thing can be done by running IPA. In my case it's WLAN 0. You can also check by running IWCTL station or maybe show. Yeah, it's not a valid command, so I don't think that this command will show you what is your wireless interface. It will show you the details after you know your wireless interface. It's the IWCTL station WLAN 0 or your wireless interface here, show, and it will give you a lot of details about it, like the state, the connected network, etc. You can run IWCTL station and your wireless interface and then scan to see what are, or to scan for the available wireless networks, and then to get what are the available wireless networks you can run IWCTL station and your wireless interface and then get networks. It should give you a list of the available networks. I'm not gonna run this command since I don't want you to see the full names of my neighbors. The next command is IWCTL station WLAN 0 or your wireless interface connect, and then the network ID. In my case it's dlink_AF. In my case, it's connected to it, and it knows its password. For you, it will ask you for the password. You type it, and you should be connected to it. Connecting to the wireless network using this method doesn't give you an IP address. In such case, you need to do as, in case you are into root, udhcp C, I guess, -I, and then your wireless interface. In my case, it's WLAN 0. This command will give you udhcp. There is an added C here. Yeah, and then -I, and then the wireless interface. This will make your computer get an IP address, which should be the last step to connect successfully to that wireless network and maybe the internet. And it didn't do anything different from what it did before. It simply got the same IP address. That was how you connect to wireless networks using IWD on Alpine Linux. I'm signing out. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And peace.